Hey, what's up guys? It's a Smart Home Helper, and today we're going to be walking through how to reset the Philips lock. So before you do anything, you're going to want to make sure that this thing has batteries. It does, so we're good there. You see it lighting it up. If not, we're going to go ahead and move to the back here. To make sure the factory reset happens, we got to make sure that it has batteries. All you need is 4. They say you can have 8 in there. But all you need is 4, as long as it's lighting up. The reset button is going to be right here. We're going to push that down for 5 seconds, and we're going to hear a beep, and then we'll see the deadbolt move as well. Something to know with the factory reset. So this is going to completely reset everything off of the lock. So it's going to be brand new. So any codes, master codes, the rehanding, auto lock, all going to be reset. This is going to scratch. So if you got one used, you typically want a factory reset. Sometimes they're not reset when you get them. So here's the button here. We're going to hold it here for 5 seconds and we'll hear that beep. We'll wait a second. There you go. See the deadbolt move, letting us know there. And the reset on these are pretty quick. Lights up here in the front. But that's it. That's it for the reset there. So if we helped you guys out or this was beneficial, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to be making more videos on the Philips locks going forward. But this is your standard factory reset here. So once again, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching.